Okay, welcome to my unboxing of the KBEAR Rosefinch. And let's get started. I will be giving a quick review of this. Okay, do I have to adjust my camera? Yeah, just a little bit here. Okay, it's a fairly simple box. Well, not much to offer, a small box. Inexpensive headphones, or earbuds, earphone, whatever you want to call it. And that's what they look like. Not so easy to pop out. A little bit of paper on the edge. There's some, so these are the tips, or the buds. A little bit of stuff on there. They look nice. Nice chrome. See the KBEAR on there. They got the medium-sized silicone tips on there. They're not bad ones. They're not bad at all. There's 6 tips in here. And let's see the cable. What do we got for a cable? And there's the cable. And it seems to be an okay cable. A less expensive one. I've seen better, I've seen worse. I don't mind that. It actually has a chin cinch. Okay. It's not too janky. It'll straighten out okay. That's okay. And there is some literature here in the box. Just a warranty manual or warranty card. There's no setup instructions or anything with it. Okay, so that's the stuff that goes with it. And they have a nice solid build, really nice solid build. They have nice solid weight. They're really good quality construction, really good sound on these. I know that. I have a set over here already broken in. I have some memory foam ear tips on them and 4.4 cable on them, and they are one of the better sounding earbuds that I've heard this year, and I've got quite a few. These ones are in the top 10 for budget priced earphones that I've heard this year. They've got good bass, smooth mid-range, and details. They are detailed, quite detailed. They're just got everything. They check all the boxes. They're really smooth. They're non-fatiguing. They've got a lot of bass. So if you like a lot of bass, these ones have it. They have it in spades. It's not, the bass isn't overemphasized. It's not muddy. It's very clean, very clear, very detailed. It does not bleed into the mid-range. Mid-range is very smooth. It's non-fatiguing. I really, really like this set, and that's why I decided to do this video on them. I have a set here that I'm probably going to play with, do some things with them. And yeah, that's basically it in a nutshell. They are one of the better ones that I've heard this year. And, you know, I've tried about at least 2 dozen earphones this year. And these are in the top of them. You know, they're they're just really good quality, bang for buck. They're worth every penny of it. And that's basically it in a nutshell. Um, yeah, I don't have any graphs or charts. I've got a microphone to graph them, but I don't have my microphone set up. There's something wrong with it right now. I will be, with future videos, I will be showing my graphs and things like that. But yeah, these ones are just really, really good earphones. Um, and I would recommend buying them if you like smooth, clean, clear, kind of a kind of a warm sound, but it's still got all the details. So it's not really warm. It's just very detailed, very clean, very clear. Lots of lower bass extensions. Just a quality set. I would have to say they're you know they're really hitting high with with their with what their quality is. Like these are excellent. Now I did not keep the stock cables. Stock cables are okay, and they sound good on the stock cables, but and they sound good with the stock ear tips. I just have my own personal preference. I used balanced. I have a lot of equipment, and most of my equipment has balanced outputs. So I used a different cable with balanced. A little bit of crap on the ear pierce, but yeah. Most of my equipment has balanced outputs, so I used balanced cable, and that's pretty much the reason. I have listened to it on my portable Bluetooth and on my portable DACs with the regular 3.5 jack, but I tend to listen to it with my 4.4. And that's my point of view and my review, unboxing and review of the KBEAR Rosefinch. Thank you.